With Minexa.ai, both developers and non-developers train once on Kavak.com to scrape automotive listings, then reuse the scraper across thousands of similar pages easily.
Go to the source page. Minexa finds the right structure for you. Launch Minexa. Everything starts from this single browser panel.
Click here. Minexa scans the page for repeated patterns of content to detect the automotive listings you want to scrape. All pages are covered. Minexa detected how to navigate through results and will do it automatically on every run. Choose List Only for quick datasets, or Detail pages when each row links to a page with more information you need. Click Continue for standard pages, or switch to Advanced mode when the site requires user input or navigation before showing the full results. Minexa highlighted the data section automatically. If the highlighted block looks right, click Create Scraper, and Minexa will analyze the content and detect all data points in a couple of minutes. Every data point is mapped to the right part of the page. Select the columns you need like model, year, price, and mileage to keep extraction accurate and consistent every time. Click API Request to get the code that lets you scrape up to 50,000 URLs in one go, processed in parallel automatically. Everything looks right. Hit Complete Configuration, and your scraper setup is saved. Multi-page handling is confirmed. All pages will be collected automatically on every run. All set. Add a schedule here if you want Minexa to rerun this automatically, then click to create your job. Hit Run and the job begins. Pages are processed in parallel based on your plan's thread limit for faster execution at scale. All of this was extracted automatically. JavaScript-heavy pages, delayed content, and request-level protections were handled without you needing to configure anything. The dataset includes vehicle make, model, year, price, mileage, and location, all cleanly structured for analysis. Click Export to download the dataset. Every value came from the exact right spot on the page, so no AI hallucination issue. One system for crawling, rendering, and extraction, so you never need to assemble or maintain separate tools again.